Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So I just ate my breakfast, my café con leche y pan. It was so good. I got the bread this past weekend. Today is actually President's Day. It's Monday, so I have the day off. So yeah, I got fresh bread on Saturday when I went to the Puerto Rican bakery. It was so soft and delicious, and it was still soft today. I always like to just warm it up in the microwave for a few seconds and then put some butter on it, and it's one of my favorite things ever. But yeah, since I do have the day off, I really wanted to just do a few things that I've been wanting to start. So the first thing is getting my kitchen garden together. So I don't ever do this, but this year I want to plant seeds to start my kitchen garden. So I'm super excited to do that. So yeah, we're gonna do that together. I'll show you guys around my garden and what I'm thinking. It's obviously cold outside. I live in Pennsylvania, so I'm going to get my seeds started indoors, and hopefully they grow really big and strong. And I have some other seeds that are in the shed right now, so we have to get those. Let's get this day started. Let's start planting some little seeds. So here's what I have so far for my kitchen garden. I have these little seed starting strips. They were super cheap, $4 at Lowe's, $4 or $5 for all of these, which is perfect. I definitely should have checked the Dollar Tree first because I'm sure that they have stuff like this, but just for convenience, I was already at Lowe's. And then I got some sugar snap peas, some cilantro, this is a spring garden mix, and we always use spring garden mix in our salads. And then I have some zucchini squash, I have some cherry tomatoes, and I have some cucumbers. So I'm going to be planting all of these. And I also have red pepper, orange pepper, and green pepper seeds from last year that I saved. So I need to go out to the shed to get those. And then I need to get dirt. So yeah, let's get this all situated. I'm obviously going to do this outside. I don't want to make a mess of my house. So yes, let's go outside. Okay, so here they are. Oh no, they're falling out. Okay, so here are my seeds. I have them as green, red, and orange. I think I kind of mixed up the red and orange, so hopefully those will work. And then I'm going to grab this so that I can scoop some dirt. I won't use gloves. I think that's all that I need from in here, so we're all set. So I have two of these garden boxes, one right here and one right over there, and I have to obviously clear all of this out. These were my pepper plants, which I don't plan on keeping here next year or this year. I have my little chives, which are great to work with the strawberries over here because they keep pests away. So I do like to have them around. And then this is my strawberry patch, which obviously needs cleaned out. All of this needs cleaned out, so I won't say that again. But this is my strawberry patch. My strawberries are still alive and well. And then here is where I had my entire herb garden, which was used in my kitchen. So I'm not sure what my setup is going to be here, but I don't know if I'm going to do the pots again or if I'm going to put dirt. So we'll see how that goes. And then I do have this trellis that I want to kind of put up on these fence posts, so that whatever I grow here can trellis up. But currently I have my blueberry plants here, and then I have my raspberry plant right here. I think that I'm going to transfer my blueberry plants to the location where the pepper plants were, so that I just have fruit and berries in this entire section. So I think that I'm going to do that. That's pretty much the only thing that I've decided on. And then possibly having the cucumbers or the peas in this area so that they could trellis up. So that's the plan. I do have this shade that was like perfect for all of my herbs, and especially my lettuces that I had back here. They burn really quickly in the sun, and it gets really sunny back here, so having this shade is perfect. So yeah, now I'm going to just collect some dirt. I have my extra planting dirt right here. That's organic. And then I'm going to just start planting my seeds. Okay, so change of plans. I actually am going to try to drill this trellis thing up on the fence now because it's really bothering me that it's just like hanging out being crazy. So let's try to get a drill and some screws and then see if I can do this on my own or if Mitch needs to come and help me. But I don't need no man, so I am going to try to do it by myself. For a second, I was having a really tough time drilling these through this material, but I had to get a drill bit or whatever this is called and put a hole in it first, just like these. So I had to put a hole and then I was able to put the screw. So, and look at how cute my nails are. Aren't they so cute? Don't look at that one. But yeah, I did those for Valentine's Day. Anyways, I'm going to continue doing the rest of these and then I will finish doing that side. All done. Doesn't that look so much better? Now it's not leaning everywhere and being crazy, and now whatever I decide to trellis will have, plenty of room to reach back here and trellis the whole way up. The sun's starting to come out. I took off my coat. And one last thing I wanted to say about my little garden boxes is that I actually built them myself. And I filmed the video, this was like 2 years ago, and I have all of the footage for it. So I am going to edit that footage and post it. So yeah, look out for how to build these garden boxes in that video that's coming soon.
Slow down, hold on tight now. It's okay to meet me at the front line. I've got cold feet, winter drives me wild. I can't fly down on the Friday. I was meant to meet you at your mom's house, so I apologize.
Here's my plan. I wanted to plant like 4 of each seed. So since I have so many peppers, I think I'm just going to use like one little cell for each of them and see how that goes. Actually, no, you know what? I'm only going to do 2 tomatoes and then I will do 2 green peppers, 2 red peppers, and 2 orange peppers because tomatoes like thrive and then there's like way too many, so I'm just going to keep it low on the tomatoes. So yeah, that's the plan. Okay, so I thought of a system. I'm going to put these like that and then clip the clip like that. I'm going to clip the clothespin like that, except every clothespin is going to have a number. So then for section number, or whatever, number 1, I'm going to put all of the notes right here on the paper and going from left to right. So this video footage will help me as well if I ever lose this paper. So yeah, that is a much better method that I came up with.
Sunflower, you're the light of my life. I got a few days off, I can show you my good side. If you got the time, I can stay for a while before the sun goes down. Would you meet me in the sunlight? You drive me wild.
Okay, so now I am all done. My system worked for me, except I didn't realize, but I have 2 like empty slots. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to buy some gandule beans and plant them here, and then some pinto beans and plant them here. So that will be for another day, but for now we're going to get started with these. I'm going to water them and then just let them sit out here for a little bit, and I will bring them in later this evening. Okay, so I put them on the trays and 2 fit on each one, which is perfect. And since the trays were like hanging off just a bit, I put this fan here for extra support, and it happened to be the perfect height. So that's great. So hopefully my little seedlings start to grow and I'll be able to watch them every day because this is my
No matter how much you give me, always leave me wanting more, wanting more.